Hey everyone, Mike Burke here with InsideRealEstatePhotography.com, and in this video we're going to talk about using real estate video as a way to differentiate yourself in the real estate photography marketplace. Alright, so in this video I just want to share my opinion on real estate video and how it can be used as a tool to set yourself apart from your competition as a real estate photographer. A lot of you guys out there may have your own opinion on this subject, and I welcome those opinions, so please, after watching this video, leave a comment down below and let me know your thoughts as well. Before we continue on with this video, I just want to share a quick word about our sponsor, PixelMob. Are you looking for a professional real estate photo editor to help lighten your workload? Are you having a hard time finding a good and reliable editor, or don't even know where to look for one? Or maybe you just personally struggle with editing and can't seem to achieve the professional end result that you've been looking for? If any of this sounds like you should definitely check out PixelMob. PixelMob helps take the guesswork out of finding a reputable editor and connects you with the right people to do the job. PixelMob is an awesome website that links you up with available editors capable of doing just about any sort of real estate photo editing you can imagine, including HDR blending, flambient, virtual staging, object removal, etc. The best part of all is that PixelMob vets all the editors prior to allowing them onto their platform to ensure that they can indeed deliver on what they say they can. I also really like that there's a peer review system where photographers can rate the editors from 1 to 5 stars, giving you further tools and helping you choose the best editor to work with for your particular job. The editor also does not get paid until you are satisfied with your order. If you've ever been in the search for an editor and tried a few out, then you know full well there's been such a sore need for something like PixelMob in our industry, and I really think a lot of us real estate photographers can benefit from this service. It's completely free to sign up, and if you use my link pixelmob.com/IREP, you will receive $5 in credit towards your first order, so there's no reason to at least not give it a try. You'll also find that link down in the description of this video. So I know I've said this in other videos, but video is just getting more and more popularity in the real estate world. Year after year, I'm doing more and more videos for my clients, whether it's horizontally shot, traditional walkthrough videos, or vertically shot, social media reel videos, or videos with agents in them talking, etc. You know, people's attention's turning more towards content creation. Agents want to get themselves out there to promote their personal brand, let people know their personalities, promote their listings, etc. And there's no better way to do that than video, really. So this higher demand for video is of course great for us as real estate photographers because it's another stream of revenue for us. The problem I'm seeing though out there is that a lot of real estate photographers aren't offering video, or if they are, you know, maybe it's not very well executed. But there's a real opportunity here, and if you're not taking advantage of video yet, I think you should be. So I think the biggest roadblock for a lot of real estate photographers for getting into video is that it's just a little bit intimidating and overwhelming at first. There's a lot to learn, sort of. You know, you gotta learn about the gimbal, balancing the gimbal, you gotta learn about getting smooth movements, you gotta learn about all the manual settings you need to do in the camera, such as manually focusing, manually setting white balance, you know, learn about setting frame rates, learn about how to expose properly, you know, also importing that footage into, you know, your editing program, working with the frame rates, slowing the footage down, etc., etc. You know, there's a lot to learn there, and I do appreciate that. But I think it's important because I think this is a great tool to differentiate yourself. So what am I getting at here as far as differentiating yourself with video? What I'm getting at is it's harder to differentiate yourself with photography, say. You know, a lot of us shooting brackets, sending our photos out to editors to edit, most of us probably. Our photos are probably in the ballpark of similar quality to our competition, you know, especially to real estate agents who don't really know the technical side of things, and they probably don't see a lot of difference between your photos and your competitors' photos. That's the point I'm trying to make. With video though, if you can do video and do it well, that will differentiate yourself from your competition, because as I stated already, a lot of real estate photographers either aren't doing video or not doing it that great yet, maybe. So if you invest your time into really honing your skills for real estate videos, I think that can really be a game changer. For instance, I've been putting videos out on social media, and I've gotten a couple calls from new clients recently, prospective clients that have called me because they saw my video work and said, I've been really looking for somebody that can do good video work and it's been hard to find. This is what I'm talking about differentiating yourself. I think it can be a really important tool, especially moving into the future. Get ahead of the game, get ahead of the curve. learn how to do video really well, and that can really lead to a lot of opportunities and a lot of new clients in the future. So as I touched on earlier, I've seen in Facebook groups and things like that where people say they don't offer video because no one in their market's really even doing it. What I want to say to that is that you should start learning video right away. That's a huge opportunity for you. Don't not offer it just because no one else is. Be the, trailblazer, be the, trendsetter. This is a huge opportunity for you, because if you start doing videos for your agents, say, guess where those videos are going to end up? On social media. And all the agents in your area follow each other on social media. I can guarantee you that. So once your agents start posting these videos online, the other agents are going to see it. And if none of the other real estate photographers in your area are offering video, guess whose phone's going to start ringing for videos? Yours. So I think it's a huge opportunity, and it would be a huge mistake to pass that up. And what's really cool and fun about making videos too is that it's not so standardized as photos are. There's sort of a very specific method that we all use for taking photos, which works and works really well. And I think it's great. But with video, there's a lot more room for creativity, having fun with your clients too, which is a great, sort of bond strengthener, if you will, between you and your clients. You have fun together making a video. They love it. It just really makes your relationship that much stronger as well. So what I'm getting at here is that with video, you can get really creative and put your stamp and your style on it and really produce something that's unique to you that your competition is not doing. Even if they are offering video, you can do something totally different stylistically, set yourself apart from them, and you learn how to hone those skills and really do it well. You can attract new clients, higher profile, higher paying clients too, because those are the people that really know and embrace video, are the smart, savvy ones that are really pushing the envelope. So that's all I really wanted to get into in this video. I've just been thinking a lot about it lately, and I just wanted to share sort of my thoughts and opinions about this. Again, this is all my opinion. If you have a differing opinion, please, leave a comment down below. Like I said, are you not offering video? If not, why aren't you? Are you offering video? Have you been able to differentiate yourself with it? Have you seen some success with it? By offering video, have you attracted new clientele? Please share all this in the comments below. I want to start a conversation here. We all learn from each other. I think it's a great thing. All right, guys, so that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so already. I really appreciate your support. Also, take a look down in the description below. I got linked down there to our sponsor, Pixel Mob, if you're looking for an editor for your real estate photos. Great resource there. Also, I got links to some of my own stuff down there, such as sky replacement pack. I got editing practice packs down there, Photoshop actions and Lightroom presets, a whole bunch of good stuff down there. So take a look at that. Thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon on the next one.